What is going on, everyone? This is Fiifi-A here. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your home internet speed from this to this. Alright, so before we begin, let me actually rerun the test so you can see my current internet speed. So as you can see, I'm hovering around 55 megabytes per second. Oh, look, we hit 69. Okay, so I'm getting around 66 megabytes per second, which is horrible, especially if you want to play games like Call of Duty or Battlefield. Okay, so let's get to the settings. So first you want to go to control panel. To get to control panel, you can click on the Windows key and type control panel, or you can also click on the magnifying icon on your taskbar. So control panel, here you want to select on network and internet. Here you want to select on network and sharing center, the first one. And then on your left side, you want to select change adapter settings. So here you're going to see your Wi-Fi. Make sure you are currently connected to your Wi-Fi. We want to right click on it and go to properties. So here you want to click on configure. So here you want to select on advanced, the advanced tab. So now you want to select the first one, the 802.11 ABG wireless mode. So mine is currently set to number 3, which is the 2.4 gigahertz. Super slow. So here I'm going to select number 5, which is the dual band 802.11 AG. That's what you should select. So here we're also going to select on preferred band is the option down the list. So currently mine is set to no preference, but I'm going to choose number 3, 5 gigahertz band. If you choose number 4, which is a 6 gigahertz band, make sure your router supports it. So it's safe to choose number 5 because you have the balance between 5 and 6. Preferably, let's stick to number 3. Now you want to hit OK, and it's going to kick you off the network for a second, but it should reconnect. If it doesn't, manually go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect. Mine is connecting. Awesome, as you can see, it's connected. Now let's go back to fast.com and rerun the test. Whoa, look at that. Now we're already high 300s. So we went from 67 to 370 megabytes per second, which is awesome. This is great for Call of Duty. This is great for Battlefield. This is great for anything in that range. So there you go, guys. Very, very simple thing to do, how to increase your internet speed at home. Let me know if you have any questions and drop a comment if it worked for you. See you in my next video. Peace out.